We instantly fell in love with How Do You Take a Bath because bath time is always an adventure in our house. This adorable board book makes getting clean fun and silly, and my child can't get enough of it. The book follows baby animals like elephants, pigs, monkeys, and hippos, showing all the funny ways that they clean themselves. Sometimes mud splattered, sometimes splashing around, and then it compares it to how kids might try to copy them. My little one laughs every time we read about the cat licking itself or the pig rolling in mud. I love that it's both educational and playful. The rhyming text is easy for early readers to follow, and the illustrations are colorful, charming, and packed with personality. It's perfect for teaching kids about animals while keeping them engaged during story time. This is one of those books that makes routine activities like bath time extra fun. It encourages curiosity, imagination, and a little giggling along the way. If you want a story that turns bath time into a silly, memorable experience, How Do You Take a Bath is definitely one worth adding to your book collection.